I'm going to show you how to export the save on Melvor Idle in just a few steps. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So the process is very easy. All you need to do is open the game and scroll down on the left sidebar until you see settings. So once you're here, you need to scroll down to the bottom and you will see the different account settings for save management. So you can download this save as a file. You can also export this save, which is basically all this code which you need to copy and then paste in another instance to import it. Or you can also create a URL which you can send to your friends or whoever you want that will basically contain the code of your save. So that's it. That's how you can export your save of your current game, and then you can also import it, or you can send it to your friends to import your game. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.